guys, I am Dipali Verma and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna do this look right here. So this is the kind of makeup that models can carry and represent themselves on ramp show. So I hope you all will like this look, and if you like this then don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the like button and do comment also. So let's start this tutorial guys. So first of all I am applying this moisturizer by Biotic Morning Nectar Moisturizer. This is one of my favorite moisturizers. And then I am applying it all over my face and neck. And then after this I have to do some corrections on my face. So I am using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in orange color. This is my personal one, so I am directly putting it on. And then मैं इसको blend कर रही हूँ अपने finger से. And then for foundation I am taking this L'Oreal Infallible foundation. It stays for 24 hours. Its quality and coverage is so good. After blending it, I am using L'Oreal Matte Magic Compact Powder. This is also waterproof. And then I'm gonna use these bronzing pearls by Oriflame. So firstly I'm applying it on my cheeks and then I will apply it on my nose for nose contouring. And now for my eyes I am taking this brown matte color, and will put it on my eyelid portion. और इसको बस अच्छे से blend करना है eyelid पर. इसके बाद मैं ले रही हूँ मैट ब्लैक शेड एंड आई विल स्मज इट एज आईलाइनर. for my lashes, I'm gonna use this Lakme Iconic Mascara. This will volumize my eyelashes and will curl that too. So it's perfect for my lashes. And now for eyebrows, I am using the same black matte color from the same palette, Maybelline. And for highlighting, I am using this Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate. I will apply it on every high point of my face. And then for my lips, I'm applying this red color. And lastly, I'm setting my makeup with this setting spray L'Oreal Infallible. आई होप गाइस आपको ये मेरी मेकअप वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो। अगर अच्छी लगी हो तो प्लीज़ मेरी इस वीडियो को लाइक करना और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना, और सब्सक्राइब करने के साथ साथ उसके साथ में जो बेल बटन है उसको प्रेस करना ना भूलें, सो डैट आगे की वीडियोस आपको मिल जाएं और मेरी बाकी की वीडियोस भी आप देख सकते हैं। इन फ्यूचर आई विल ऑल्सो हैव सो मैनी बेस्ट वीडियोज़, बेस्ट मेकअप वीडियोज़ फॉर यू गाइज. So I will see you guys next time in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.